Before, I was getting up 4 or 5 times a night to go to the bathroom. So it was interrupting my sleep. I was tired all the time.
We used to do jump rope competitions. I couldn't jump rope. I couldn't do double leg jump. I had to do single leg. And it started there.
Well, it's age, pushing 50, and having kids. It's just the way that it is. The equipment gets weak.
I would run to the bathroom. I would leak.
What it does is it kind of takes place of doing Kegels, which a lot of people don't have the time or the energy, and quite frankly, it's uncomfortable to sit there and try to do Kegels.
Electromagnetic waves that pulse around the muscles that force tightness to occur from the inside all the way to the outside.
Usually when you come into a gyno's office, okay, take your clothes off. You know, I sat here in my blue jeans and just read a book. And it's the easiest thing I've ever done here.
It was actually good.
The first time I did it, it was like, whoop, okay, a little odd, but it becomes very tolerable.
It's 25 or 30 minutes you sat on this chair reading a magazine. That's probably the most I ever sat down and relaxed in my normal day. It's freeing, very freeing to be able to just do what you want to do again.
Better control over when I do have a contraction. I can handle it better.
If I ran across somebody who complained about the problem that I had, or even something more severe, I would actually say, hey, I have a doctor. All you have to do is sit in a chair 6 times. Sounds a little strange, and you don't even have to get undressed, and it works. So I would absolutely recommend it.
It's awesome.